What's up, guys? Garrett with Absolute Wheel Repair, and today we are on our way to take care of our raffle winner. We are new with this. We did one this year for the first time. We're hoping to have them every year as we grow and continue it as a tradition. He won a caliper job, a full wheel refinish, fixing all the damage, changing it to a custom color, 100% mobile at his location, home or work, and we are on our way to do it. So let's go. What's up, guys? Obviously, we're back at my shop now. The customer ended up having some wheel locks that needed to be removed, so we took them to get them removed. We're back at the shop. These things are gonna take some serious love. The wheels are pretty chewed up. The calipers are pretty beat up. So we're about to do an all-day process to make these things look good again. So we had to overcome some challenges. We had some wheel lock problems, we had some weather issues, but it's finished. We're about to bring the vehicle back to Travis so we can get a reaction and see what he thinks about it.
Yo, dude, this is brand new, man. Holy shit, dude. Bro, dude. Dude, that looks awesome, man.
So we went ahead and fixed all the damage on his wheels. We painted them to a brand new black gloss finish. We grinded down some of the corrosion on his calipers, as well as doing a refinish on his calipers. We took down the corrosion on his rotors and painted his back drums to match. Gave him brand new lugs, brand new valve caps, and pretty much made it look, you know, a little younger. All right, guys, so he is the raffle winner. He has claimed his prize, and we're gonna be doing this every year, so stay tuned for the next raffle, and hopefully you can be the winner.